What would happen if you train your pet as they grow? Then they will learn some talents. See this videos and be inspired so that you will have the interest to also train your pet. But before we continue, please like, subscribe, and hit notification button for more exciting videos. Thanks. This monkey practicing its drawing skill for the drawing competition. This dog is a lifeguard, but enjoying while swimming to make him more skilled. This beluga is practicing its talent by making a circling bubbles under the sea, not using a smoke but by catching up, by bumping its head up and releasing air that creates bubbles. An extraordinary talent under the sea. This dog passed through the number of people who's standing by using a skateboard and set a Guinness World Record. If no one of you can handle a jumping rope, just take this elephants, they can do better. This another elephants is an artist. They are good at painting and they can draw themselves. Their paintings are expensive. This dog is good at soccer. It is a good goalkeeper ever. This dog almost catch all the soccer ball being kicked go into the goal net. An amazing skill of an athlete. Hooray! This another dog is good at jumping rope, and it enjoy playing together with its owner. Only few pets can do this trick, an amazing dog talent. This cat calculating its jump to make its jump perfect. And if you don't have enough talent or skill, what this penguin did can be helpful.